All right, hooks in, careful now. Tension on the line. Slow and steady, clear the stack. Got it, looks good. All right, over that rear tire. I've got this front one cinched. Make sure it's tight. The column is loose. Cables are cut, pull them clear. Got it. All right, easy now, just a little more. Watch that line, got it. Keep holding it steady. Don't worry, it's not going anywhere. Keep it smooth. Got it, this edge needs feathering. Almost done with this spot. Line it up perfectly. Okay, got it. Okay. Now tighten it down, line it up. Got it, that's perfect. All right, watch your fingers, just a little nudge. Got it, looks perfect. And that's how it's done. Another one down. Perfect, she sounds like a dream. All that hard work paid off. She's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Turn up the revs, let's hear her sing. Oh yeah, that's the sound of victory.